Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Tesla Model 3 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So you're going to need baby shampoo and water mixed together in a spray bottle. And your next solution that you're going to need just to help remove any wax or any contaminants or any coating that the headlight may have is distilled water with alcohol. So first, we're going to use our soapy solution, spray it onto the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. And also try to clean the surrounding area just in case the film does touch the paint. If it does touch the paint, it doesn't get any contaminants. And now with your second solution, rotate the towel, spray your second solution, and this will help remove any extra contaminants that the lens may have.
And now you can move on to the next step.
Okay, so once we finish prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. Apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we're going to make sure we align the film to the edge of the headlight here. So make sure it stays aligned right here. Grab your tack solution and apply it underneath the film. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and apply it on top. That way our squeegee is able to tack down and slide when we're squeegeeing the tint. So make sure it stays aligned on this section here, the edge and the bottom edge. With your squeegee, start securing the film. Okay, make sure you remove all the solution that's underneath the film, and once you're done, make sure it's secured. That way we're able to focus on this area here. So now in order to remove the fingers that you see in this middle section here, we're going to just lightly stretch the film. Make sure it stays aligned on the top and bottom section, and start tightening down slowly. That way we're able to secure the film and start removing any solution also that's underneath. Hold it here and now do a light stretch to reach it up to the edge here. So just place your hand here and stretch it up to the edge. It's just a light stretch. Something you can do to help adhesive activate faster is start applying tack solution underneath the film. So hold it up until the edge, spray tack solution on top, and tack it down. These fingers here, you can get rid of them after we tack down this corner here. Okay, so once you secure here, you're going to notice you have these small fingers on the bottom and on the top section. In order to remove these fingers, all you're going to need to do is apply a little bit of tack solution with heat and take your time bringing the fingers down. So just spray tack solution underneath the film. Grab your heat gun and make sure you use the low setting for this part. So use the low setting and apply it where you see the fingers. And this is just to help shrink the fingers, and we're able to tack it down slowly. To let the film cool down just a little bit, apply tack solution one more time. And what trick you can do is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and help bring down the fingers like this. When you're bringing them down, just hold your squeegee on the edge here of the headlight. Hold it for like maybe 5 seconds. That way the finger stays tacked down. And then if it lifts, just hold it again and repeat this process. So it should look like this, flat. So just make sure you do this all across until you remove all the fingers. Heat will be your best friend. So just apply a little bit of heat where you see those fingers. You can use a hair dryer as well when you're doing this. If you do use the hair dryer, you can use the low setting as well. And just repeat this process until you remove the fingers. So once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight, the last thing to do is post heat the entire film. So to post heat, you're going to need your tack solution, spray it onto the headlight. Make sure you focus on the areas also where you applied heat to remove the fingers. And we're just going to use our heat gun. You could use a hair dryer as well, and just use the low setting for this part and just evenly apply heat throughout the entire headlight. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're just going to use a microfiber towel to help tack down the film. Apply a little bit of pressure as you go. That way we just help the adhesive bond more faster to the headlight. So take your time doing this step. Make sure you use the low setting. If you do use the high setting, just make sure to apply heat evenly. Don't stay too focused on one area for too long. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Tesla Model 3. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.